technical foul yata sa game na to.
Oo.
Hindi tayo nagkakamali.
Tama. Isa kay
Andy Larong.
Andy Larong, isa kay Kirby Raimundo.
Kay Pingris.
Isa kay Mark Pingris.
Lahat yun sa Pure Foods.
Tama.
Well, Pure Foods kasi nag-a-ball, so they feel the pressure. They feel, sabi, gaya na sinabi mo, they feel a sense of urgency to win this game.
2 free throws, and the lead is down to 3. Pure Foods 40, Santa Lucia 37. Pingris against Malone. Pingris naghahanap ng mapasabi kay Kirby Raimundo against Kelly Williams. Kirby Raimundo sumaksak sa loob. Malakas. Marlo Aquino. Tumalon si Marlo, ha? Tumalon. Ito, Joseph Yo. Inside against Roy Castillo, and the referee blows his whistle once again. Could be against Castillo again. That's going to be number 2 on him. So, babalik na naman. Ay, hindi. Walang free throws dito. Wala naman tira.
Saka you notice, every time Joseph Yo has the ball, at ang katapat niya, si Noy Castillo, he is attacking the defense. He feels he's just so much quicker than Noy. That's why there's a change in the defense now.
There's Kelly Williams attacking the hoop. Nakakuha na foul galing kay Mike Pingris. Second personal on Mike Pingris. 6:01 to go. At Kelly Williams is at the line for a couple of charities.
Ito yung nangyari kay Kelly Williams in game number 3. Off night in offense, nakakuha siya ng 14 rebounds but only 10 points.
That's right. At magkano mabilasok ni Kelly Williams ang kanyang pangalawang free throw to further cut the lead of Pure Foods down to 2 at 40-38. Timeout na tinawag si Coach Ryan Gregorio. Alam natin yung kalaban niya, si Coach Boyd Fernandez. Nursing graduate yan. Congratulations sa mga pumasa sa nursing exam. Marami-rami yun. At isa doon, si Fritz Aguirre. Anak ko sa atong amigo nga si Lyndon Aguirre sa San Miguel Corporation. Taga-Cebu ka na siya. Okay, we'll take a short break. Peter Junsimon just scored from top of the key. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ito si Peter Junsimon. 13 puntos na po ang ginagawa nito ngayon para sa Pure Foods at lamang ang Pure Foods ang 43-38 here in the second quarter. Set of Miranda to Marlo Aquino against Jondan Salvador. Marlo off the glass, and he draws the foul from Jondan Salvador. That's going to be number 3 as well on Jondan Salvador.
Marlo Aquino so offense conscious in this game, and why not? He's getting the opportunities. At dapat lang, he's the biggest player on the floor. A skyscraper with 9 points in game number 3. And
he already has 9 here, diba?
That's right. And of course, the whole idea here is to put him on the line. Actually, meron siyang 8 points so far.
That's his 9.
That's his 9.
Okay. Apat na puntos po naghihiwalay sa dalawang koponan. Labang ang Pure Foods nasa kanila pa ang bola. TJ Simon, labang ang Dennis Miranda. Kirby Raimundo, binabatayan ni Kelly Williams. Anteloy Castillo against Joseph Yo. Kirby, looking inside. Cross-court pass to Jondan Salvador. Binigyan ng espasyo ni Marlo Aquino at nagsususi na po si Marlo.
Ito sinabi natin kanina about the matchup at the guard position. Noy Castillo now moving over to Dennis Miranda because he really is no match against the very quick and agile Joseph Yo.
Kelly Williams pushes, and the loose ball is picked up by Noy Castillo. Castillo to the front court. Kirby Raimundo charges through, and there's going to be a foul. Kelly Williams, number 3. Third personal foul on Kelly Williams.
And that's the reason kung bakit palaging umaatake si Kirby Raimundo. No? You know, he's not settling for jump shots. He's moving inside. He's driving strong.
Yeah.
And he wanted to put Kelly Williams to some kind of foul trouble. Makita natin ang for-dinner theory. So far, Pure Foods in the second quarter. Getting the job done outside.
Ayun, si Kirby Raimundo tumira sa labas. Got 6 points in the game. 4 minutes and 18 seconds to go in the second quarter. And it's an 8-point lead by Pure Foods, which is the biggest of the game so far. Butoy Umalon for 3. Oh!
And it again.
He had 3. Atin sa inyo ni Butoy Umalon.
At dalawa na yan, ha?
Yeah.
Umalon has now 2 3-pointers. Now, you also see a shift now in the defensive assignments of Santa Lucia because Kirby Raimundo has been so active and aggressive on offense. They now put Umalon instead of Kelly Williams. They don't want Kelly Williams to pick up his first personal foul.
Banggaan espesyal. At merong foul na tatawagin as R.D. Larong, who just came back into the game, hits the deck. Dennis Miranda, tinawagan na kanyang unang personal foul. Ryan Reyes coming back in para kay Joseph Yo on the part of Santa Lucia. 3 minutes and 47 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. At lamang po ng 5 ang Pure Foods at 47-42. Ano na? Ano mangyari? Yan natin kung ano ito. Si R.D. Larong yata may tama.
That's right. Meron yatang dugo coming out of his nose.
Same
Sa
bumagsak
facial area, so you need to have
sa kamay.
Sa kamay.
Kung bumagsak siya, baka naitugod niya yan or something.
Officials timeout ito.
Yes.
Partner, meron ako napo narito, no? Si Bitoyo Malone, who is known to be a slasher, who likes to be the recipient of those backdoor passes.
Tsaka mga fast break, gusto mo maangkol doon.
So far in this game, ang puntos ni Malone lahat galing sa 3-point area.
Dalawang 3-pointers.
He's not able to crash inside.
PJ Simon. Wala. Kelly Williams gets the rebound. And he gets it over to Dennis Miranda. Forward out to Ryan Reyes. Nasa lumod ni Loy Castillo. Gonna pass inside to Marlo Aquino from Bitoyo Malone. And Marlo Aquino has 11 points.
And that's the reason why Malone is not flashing, no? They're very comfortable with Marlo Aquino getting the ball at the post and close to the basket area.
Kelly Williams breaks up the play. 17 of the shot clock of Pure Foods. They're in the lead by 3. Jondan Salvador, lumalabas si PJ Simon against Dennis Miranda. Peter June Simon pa rin. Kumihit. Miranda staying with him. Jumper by Simon is no good. Ryan Reyes para sa rebound. At pinapabangin ng Santa Lucia ang bola through Ryan Reyes into the opening. Ryan Reyes lumabas! Swak na sana yun at parang napakadali.
Wide open shot for Ryan.
Napalakas na lakote. Roy Castillo goes up. Rob Sands is in the game. Binigay niya kay Kevin Raimundo, who is fouled. Albert Omalon, foul number 2. Penalty na po ang Santa Lucia. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining in the second quarter. And it's a 3-point lead para sa Pure Foods at 47-44. This is game 4 of the championship series. Best of 7 po tayo, mga kaibigan. Santa Lucia with a 2-1 lead in the series. Manala James Yap, papalitan si Peter June Simon. Loy Castillo is relieved by Roger Yap.
Again, nakita natin, no, yung rotation of player ng Pure Foods. I'm sure Coach Ryan Gregorio remembers that in game number 3, si Peter June Simon suffered a bout of cramps.
Yeah.
So it doesn't want to happen. Yeah, he wants to pace his players here. Make sure that players are always fresh on the floor.
Dennis Miranda. Kelly Williams. Balik-balik kay Dennis Miranda. Baseline. Miranda checks it out. Ryan Reyes gets it back. Nagkalanganin. Tumira. Si Dennis Miranda. Di-entras yan. Balik kay Dennis Miranda. Patricia, what's your report on Santa Lucia?
Most immediate and glaring concern of Santa Lucia is really their lack of aggressiveness on defense. At ngayon bumalik na si James Yap. Ayan na naman yung pinakamalaking sakit ng ulo nila. Sabi nila talagang pinag-iisipan nila na i-double si James Yap. Kaso with Kirby Raimundo there, it's gonna be hard with not another body on Kirby. You know, Coach Boyet says and keeps repeating na nakarating sila dito sa finals on defense and purely on defense. And they're concerned now that Pure Foods is nearing the 50-point mark, meaning they're really not doing their job of not allowing their opponent to score more than 100. So definitely that's what we're going to be talking about at halftime. Back to you, Ellen Finito.
Well, pinagtutulungan nila si Kirby Raimundo, but that resulted in a foul on Ryan Reyes, and they are in the penalty. So Kirby Raimundo is again at the line. First free throw by Raimundo is good.
Ano ba interesting ang point ni Patricia, no, about Santa Lucia's mindset being on defense, so because they are the #1 team in the league in defense. Number 2 naman ang Pure Foods. I expect this series to be very low scoring, but we're not seeing it that way. We're seeing a high-scoring series. In fact, in every game, both teams have scored 100 points, except in game number 1, when Pure Foods scored 97. They're just 3 points shy of 100.
Pero hindi mo naman sasabihin, malabya ang depensa nito dalawa ito.
Hindi nga depensa, physical defense, but there's a lot of breakaway plays where you score a lot of points in a hurry. A lot of 3-point shots also going in. So when that happens, the tendency is your scores jack up.
Rob Sands is gone for his first personal foul. He sends Kelly Williams to the line dahil nasa penalty na rin ang Pure Foods. Si Kelly Williams currently has 7 points in the game. Remember, he just received